Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to find your hidden photos on Shorts or how to delete your Shorts photos on the application of Instagram. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First, we will go to Instagram as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to this sign of shots and you will click here. And as you see here in this window, you will find this sign like this of shots. You will enter to it. And here, as you see, you will find this camera. If you take any picture without you realize it, or without you know that you take the picture, you click here on this sign of history, and then you will find all these shots that you take. And after that, you will click, for example, to the photo that you want to delete. You will click here, and then you will click on this sign, and after that you will click here on delete instant, and in that way here you can know how to delete your shorts on the application of Instagram as you see. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.